Gold futures on Tuesday are attempting a third straight positive trading session as investors look to test key resistance up around $13.15 an ounce. Tom Vitiello, principal at Aurum Options Strategies, is joining me from the floor of the New York Mercantile Exchange to make sense of it all. Tom, thanks so much for being here.
Good to be here, Joe.
Tom, why are we seeing kind of a sideways move today, but a general move upward the past few trading sessions?
Well, London was closed yesterday, so I think that Ukraine, any news that comes out of the Ukraine scares the shorts out. So, fundamentally, with all the economic data, there's a lot of pressure on the metal, but the shorts, they tend to get out faster than longs would. They don't dig in like the longs do. So they run for cover, and you wind up hitting these resistance level, and then it falls off again. So we're in that kind of a pattern here where we get economic data, which makes the market come off, and then we get some news out of the Ukraine, and the shorts have to run for cover because it pops in their face.
How about anybody looking into the space right now, thinking about adding to the portfolio or maybe even getting in for the first time? Do you feel like this is a level that they should stay off?
Well, I think anytime you see dips in the market, look, we're kind of hovering around the 200-day moving average, so it is an important area, and where we settle in the next few days, I think that will give you a little bit of an indication if this rise in gold from that bottom would have any legs. We're basically in the range of 1265 upwards, I guess, the 1320 level, and maybe settling on either side of that would give you a better indication. But if you're just going to accumulate a little bit as the market comes off, it's a good idea to maybe pick up some metal there. But I wouldn't buy any up moves. It's not like it was a few years ago, and this market will hit a lot of resistance on the upside. There's a lot of technical resistance points that this market will hit, and there's also a lot of people who are underwater who are waiting to get out of some trades as the market gets a little higher.
All right, Tom, as always, we appreciate your take on these things, and thanks for giving us the lowdown from the New York Mercantile Exchange.
You're welcome, Joe.
My thanks to Tom Vitiello of Aurum Options Strategies. That's your gold update for today for TheStreet in New York. I'm Deaux.